My favorite part about cryptocurrency is it allows for peer-to-peer transactions without any middleman getting in the way. There's going to be no bank saying you can't send a transaction to your friend, and who knows, based on the climate of the world, where we're going to be heading and how important it is for us to be able to transact peer-to-peer without those middlemen getting in the way. Now, one thing you may not have known is that every transaction with pretty much every cryptocurrency out there is recorded on the blockchain and is visible for everyone else to see. Luckily, in this video, I'm going to show you a special privacy coin on the Pirate Chain that keeps every one of your transactions completely private. There's other coins out there that do that, like Monero, Dash, and Zcash, but those are optional privacy coins. We're going with the #1 privacy coin I've discovered out of every YouTube video I've watched around this subject. I'm going to show you how to buy it and send it to your Pirate Chain wallet. Let's go check it out. So we're here on CoinMarketCap right now, and we can take a look at Pirate Chain. The price actually plummeted quite a bit. It had a massive run up. If you take a look just at the beginning of April, guys, it was literally 43 cents on April 7th. And it skyrocketed up on April 23rd, just 2 simple weeks later, to $16.35. Massive explosion of the price, and now it has fallen off quite a bit, which is really typical after anything goes that parabolic in that short of amount of time. Now, after the retracement from the all-time high, we're sitting now at $6.55. Now, that's really important to keep in mind. A lot of people will have FOMO, fear of missing out, and want to buy in at those all-time highs, and that's not what you want to do, because the price always tends to crash back down and meet up with those moving averages once again. So a little bit about Pirate Chain. The actual ticker symbol of this coin is called ARRR. So big time pirate vibes going off over there. I want to give you a quick overview of what the coin really is. And you can see it harnesses the delayed proof of work system from Komodo, zero knowledge proof Z-Snarks, transactions from Zcash, and the rule of enforced privacy only transactions by Monero. So it takes all the best parts of these other cryptocurrencies and combines it into one. Now, this is really important. Whereas many other privacy coins have the optional privacy features, Pirate ARRR claims to be a 100% private send cryptocurrency, as well as the first Z transaction only. ZK Snarks technology, zero knowledge cryptocurrency, is utilized to shield peer-to-peer transactions. The team claims it has created the largest shielded private pool of funds of any private coin. There's tons of articles and other videos about this. This article is talking about where will the price go after that 44,000% increase in just the past month here. Now, some will say it's going to go back to as low as $6 or $3, and some say it will go up to as high as $19. Now, keep in mind, most of the reason people like cryptocurrency is for the anonymity and privacy of the coins. But like I said, most people don't realize most of those transactions are still out there on the blockchain. This is going to be 100% private, and with governments cracking down and taxes going sky high, like Biden's tax proposal of 44% of capital gains, this is one of the coins maybe you could store some crypto in. Now, with that said, let's hop into this tutorial. First off, we're going to go to tradeogre.com, and we can pop in right here. This is a non-KYC account, so you don't need to put in any of your information. All you need to do is send Bitcoin to your wallet here. So after you create a simple account here, it's as simple as putting in an email and a password. You can then go to your balances here, and you'll see right at the top we have Bitcoin. So at this stage, you're just going to want to simply deposit some Bitcoin into your account. And from there, we're going to switch it into the privacy coin by Pirate Chain. So you can see the button to deposit Bitcoin right here. I can press deposit. This is my little Bitcoin address here. And then hopefully you already have some type of crypto exchange like Coinbase, Uphold, Binance. Any one of those will work totally fine. And then from there, we can come down to your Bitcoin holdings and send some of that over to the address we just copied from TradeOgre. If you don't have a Coinbase account, go sign up down below. You'll get $10 in free Bitcoin when you sign up and fund your account. And you can see we'll have Bitcoin right here. So we can press that, and it says send right here. It's that simple. So I would just come in and paste that address I copied from TradeOgre right here. I can put in like, hey, $100, something like that. I can come down and press continue, and then I can say send now. I'm not going to send it because I've already sent money over there. So after about 10-15 minutes, you can come back to your account and press balances, and then you'll start to see you have some Bitcoin in your account, just like I have here. So from there, it's really simple. We just come over to this upper corner and say markets on Trade Ogre. And then we come to see Pirate Chain. They also have Monero. This is a cool crypto exchange. It actually has quite a few good reviews and it's really stable. So you can pretty much see here Pirate Chain, and we just press on the market BTC to ARRR. We'll go ahead and press that. So we can see the current price of Pirate Chain right now is $6.51. Just the other day, it was as high as $10. I bought a little bit then, but I'm actually gonna go buy some more right now. So I wanna show you this, BTC to USD, and I wanna actually see how much Bitcoin I'm gonna put in here, because it's only gonna allow you to put in an amount of Bitcoin. There's no US dollars you're putting in here. So for this example, let's just say I wanna put in $20 of Bitcoin. So I entered in on the USD to BTC calculator, 20 US dollars equals this much of Bitcoin. So I can copy that amount of Bitcoin right there. I'm gonna come over back to ARRR, the trading platform, under the buy section, and just copy in that amount of BTC. And from here, it's as simple as pressing the buy button. You can see we're gonna get 3.08 ARRR. Press buy, and then you can see right down here, I accidentally pressed the button twice, but I ordered $40 worth of ARRR, I guess, because I pressed it twice really fast. But that's okay with me. That's why it was just an example, and that's why I recommend you start doing a small order before you ever do any big orders and anything like that. Just test it out, see if everything works. You're good to go from there. So now I see my little account up here. Let's press on balances once again. And I can come down and see Pirate Chain right here, ARRR. I have $95 worth. I already put in about $50 earlier when I made this video, and I just added 40 more bucks to it. Looks like the price went up a little bit, which is great. So the next step is actually to get it to your Pirate Chain wallet. This is a completely secure private wallet. This is where you want to send your pirate coins after you get them. You don't want to just keep them here on Trade Ogre. So to get this wallet, it's really simple, and I'll leave the link right down below. And once you click on that link, you can see right here, wallets. I just came and got the Lite Wallet. You can just press Lite Wallet right here, and you see it. And whether you have a Mac computer, a Linux, or Windows, you just click on the appropriate computer system you're working with. So I went with Mac, and it's just gonna start downloading that. I'm just gonna cancel it because I've already done it. And once that's loaded, you just double click, open the file, and drag it over your applications. Now, I had a little problem opening it. It said my developer won't allow this to be opened or something like that. So I actually had to come over to my Finder here, come up to the search bar and just say Pirate. And I said this Mac. So you'll see what you just downloaded right there pretty much. And then you have to press, on my computer, it's Control click, and then it will allow you to open it even if your computer wasn't allowing you to open it in the first time. So once you actually get it open and downloaded, you're gonna have to wait a second, and it will download this wallet right here for you. That simple. It shouldn't be too hard. There's also some instructional videos by Pirate Chain. They have their own YouTube channel. You can check that out if you need more help. But once you get your Lite Wallet set up, you can come over here to say receive and copy your address right here. So we can say copy, then we'll go back into Trade Ogre, and I can come down to my Pirate Chain right here, and I'm gonna say withdraw. I'm gonna go ahead and paste in that address that I just had there, and up here it says available balance 14 ARRR. I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and I'll just go ahead and say withdraw right now. And it also asks for a Google Authenticator code. So get the Google Authenticator app on your phone, and then sync up Trade Ogre with the authenticator code. It'll prompt you a message on how to do that. So I see my one-time authentication code on my Google Authenticator app on my phone here. I'm gonna go ahead and type in that code right now and press submit. And there it is. That's my transaction. It's currently pending up here, and that should be sent over to my wallet in about 10 minutes or so. All the other transactions I tested it out with worked fine. You see I tested it with a small amount right here first. Really nice and simple there. And after that transaction arrives, it'll pop right in here in my overview, and I'll just keep adding to my ARRR portfolio. Now again, you guys probably already know how volatile and risky cryptocurrency is, and I don't recommend putting in your life savings or anything like that into this coin, especially since it's kind of a random weird coin, but it's got so much potential. And based on all the other YouTube videos I've seen about it from some big prestigious people, they really think this is going to be a great coin to look at in the future. So maybe just invest a little bit in there, download it, know how to get into it. It's great practice. And once you're set up there, you'll know how to do it in case you really do need to get this at some point in your life, and it's there for you. Again, all the links will be linked down below in the description. The biggest thing you guys can do to support this channel is just smash the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends if you're interested in privacy coins and keeping all your cryptocurrency transactions on the DL private, guys. That's what it's all about for me. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.